Dancehall entertainer Popcaan pleads guilty and fined over traffic offenses. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Popular dancehall entertainer Popcaan was fined $10,000 after pleading guilty to several road traffic breaches in Yala St. Thomas on Thursday. He was fined $2,000 for operating a motor vehicle without insurance, $2,000 for driving without a helmet, $3,000 for operating a vehicle without a valid fitness, and $3,000 for operating an unlicensed motor car. He was admonished and discharged on the charges of no registration plates. Popcaan was represented by lawyer Matthew Hyatt. The 32-year-old recording artist, whose real name is Andre Sutherland, was charged late in April after police intercepted his 9-vehicle convoy in St. Thomas. After being charged, Popcaan, who is the promoter of the annual Unruly Fest concert, took to social media to lament that he is being unfairly targeted by the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.